Okay, this is in the other video, so make sure you watch the other video. This one's going to do the review. See if we have exponents in here. Nope, I didn't put the exponents. The exponents will be on there. That means this. Just to go over, it's going to be on your test. Let's say we got 4x squared y cubed times 2 x to the second power, right? All over 24x to the fifth y, and that's it. Something like that. You need to simplify the numerator first. In the numerator, you need to distribute first the ones there. So in the numerator, you get 4x squared y to the third times 2 squared x squared. Okay, 2 squared can be changed to, you should automatically do this, to 4 all over 24 x to the fifth y. So this can be simplified to 16x. Add these two together, 2 plus 2 and y to the third, right? Well, it's 2 plus 2 is 4. Let's just do that, y to the third. 24x to the fifth and y. Okay, and then you can reduce these by 8. 8 is 2 over 3. This you can minus 4, and that's a 1 minus 1. Now here's your answer. That's gone there, that's gone there. Okay, move it to the smaller one. So this answer's in the denominator, so you put here x to the 1 in the denominator. This is in the numerator, so you y to the second in the numerator, and that's your final answer. You need to know those. I need to put this up so you guys can work on it. Okay, you have your IXL to do. Okay, 2 restaurant delivers pizza. Piesler charge a delivery fee of $15 plus $10 for each pizza. Okay, so we're going to write an equation for both pizza company. Piesler, let's put Piesler here so we know which one we're doing, is $15 for delivery fee plus $10 for each pizza. That equals to your cost. Okay, so X represents the number of pizza. Y represents the cost overall. Well, Circlet charge $11 for each pizza delivered. Okay, that's easy. Circlet is 11x times each equals to y. Okay, graph the equation because these are big numbers. It's harder to graph. So I'm going to find the intersection of the two graphs first and what it means. I thought you were Isaac. Glad you weren't Isaac. To do that, you use substitution. That means make this equals to this. 11x equals to 15 plus 10x minus 10x to both sides. X equals to 15, right? So X is the number of pizza, so 15 pizza. See how much is it going to cost. We're going to use Circlet's formula. Y equals to 11x. Okay, y then 11 times 15. So 11 times 15 11 times 15 equals to, it's going to cost you for both companies $165. What does it mean? The graph will intersect at 15 pizzas for $165. This means that both pizza place charge the same, charge $165. Both pizza place charge $100 for 15 pizza. Okay, let's graph it. X represents the number of pizza. Costs in dollars. Okay, in order to do this, you need to choose, X represents the number of pizza. P for Piesler, which is 15 plus 10x, and circlet is 11x. Okay, 0 pizza. Change your mind, you didn't want the pizza. Piesler, they're going to still charge you $15 because you put 0 here. 0 times 10 is 0 plus 15. And still charge you 15 for delivery. Circlet is 11x, put a 0 there. Get 0 for circlet. They charge you nothing. And then you choose 15 pizza. Well, 15 pizza, if you choose 15 pizza, Piesler will charge you $165. Circles will also charge you $165. Let's go to 20 pizza. Okay. It's an easy number to deal with. So 15 plus 10 times 20, that's 200. It's $215. And 20 times 11 right here is $220. So at the beginning, charge the same, and charge more than in after 165, it's circlet that charges more, okay? Let's start with graph Piesler only. Use these two only, Piesler, right there. We'll do it in green. 0, 15 for Piesler, 0, 15. Oh, we need to figure out how to number these. Number pizza by 1. Okay. Oh no, the cost cannot be by 2, so costs need to go up to 220. So 100, 200, 10. 10 only goes to 200. 15. 15 will work. 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240. 0, 15, 15, 6, 1, 65. Aha, right here. And then 20. 215. Right there. And next one, 0, 0. Circlet is 0, 0, right? And then 15, 165. And 20, 220. That, so very close to each other. Anyways, that's the graph. Make sure you know how to graph these. This is a 0, up 5 over 6, right? Oh, this graph is 2, 4, 5 over 6. 2, 4, 6. 5, 1, 3, 5 over 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 5 over 2, 4, 6. That's the way to graph it. Oops. Oh no. Oh. Put another one here. Okay. Go the other way. 4, 5 over 2, 4, 6. Like that. There we go. And then the other graph, you can't graph it like this. So you minus 5x, solve it for slope-intercept form. That's a negative 6y equals to 60 minus 5x. Don't forget the negatives. Divide by negative 6. Y equals to 10 plus 5 over 6x. Oh, the rate of change is the same, so it's going to be parallel. Starts at 10, up 5, 2, 4, 5 over 6. Okay, like that. Go the other way. What? There you go. B plus 0 to 4 over 1. do one solution because the y-intercept, the slope is different. So I hope you know what I'm doing. I just solve without explaining. I hope you understand it. Late for me anyways. 2 over 1. Nope. 2 over 1. 2 over 1. 2 over 1. Uh-oh. Does Isaac have a cold, honey? Or is that you? Oh, there where it's meeting. It's close enough. So it intersects right there. Negative 416. One solution. Okay. And then I hope you know how to do this one because it will be on the test. Below is chart of the boys swimming team meals. Each teenage boy consumed this many calories a day. Below is the list of food with calories for each serving and the percentage. The percent. Fruit, they need 5%. So if there were 6 boys that you have to feed, and there are 3 boxes total, one box has 24 fruits, and the other second box has this many ounces of pasta, and third box 22 bottles of lemonade. Bottles of, is there enough food to feed the boys for 4 days while you're on that? Show all the math work. Okay, for 4 days, 6 boys for 4 days. Okay, let's do 1 boy for 1 day. P-O-Y, not da. Doy. 1 day, right? Make this into a decimal first. 0.20. Then multiply that all by 4,000. Okay, and then you get, I think you get 200 here. Divide by the 200 calories for each fruit, you get 1 fruit a day for 1 boy. Okay, and this one here, $3,000. 5 servings of pasta, so times that by 10, 50 ounces of pasta a day. Oh, that's a lot for 1 person. That's all they eat, I guess. And 4,000 times 0.2, 800. 2 bottles of lemonade. Okay, for 5 days, 1 boy. How many days? 4 days. for 4 days, or let's say there's 6 boys. One boy that much. 6 boys times it by 6 boys. You get 6 fruit. One. Okay, times 50 times 6 is 0. 300 ounces of pasta and 12 lemonades. This is for 6 boys. Now for 4 days. 6 boys for 4 days, times that by 4, you get 24. Times that by 4, 1200. Times that by 4, you get 48. Oh, you only get enough fruit. There's only enough fruit for everybody. Not enough pasta because you need this much pasta and you only have this much. And definitely not enough Gatorade. Lemonade, they'll go thirsty. Okay, because this is how much you need here. This is how much you need of each one. And this is how much you have. So based on need, you need 24 fruit and have 24 fruit. There's enough fruit, but pasta, you're short by 50 ounces because you need 1,200 ounces and only have 1,150 ounces. Gatorade, you're really short of lemonade. You're really short of lemonade because you need 48 bottles and only have 22 bottles. Write a linear equation based on the total calories in the problem situation. Let x be the number serving of pasta. Pasta serving. Let y be the number of bottles of lemonade. Okay? Then graph. 800 calories of pasta, x, plus 400 calories of lemonade equals a total of 4,000, our initial here. Way up here, a day. Okay, that's the equation you're looking for. Then graph it, okay? You can graph it using X and Y intercept. That's probably the best way to do it. X intercept and Y intercept. X equals to 5, 5, serving of pasta. This is the number of serving, not number of ounces of pasta, okay? So y-intercept is 400 divide, it's 10, right? 10 bottles of lemonade. So 5 and 10. That's 10 and 5.